You got called in too? What is going on?
Sheldon threw us all under the bus.
I feel like I've been called down to the principal's office.
Throw someone under the bus. To do something harmful to someone else in order to gain an advantage for yourself. Examples.
I told my dad that you were the one who didn't want kids because I didn't want to disappoint him.
But you were okay throwing me under the bus?
Turns out, yeah, didn't think twice about it.
Can we just please forget about this now?
And the worst thing is that you sold me out without warning and made me look like a fool. Husband and wife are supposed to help each other, not throw each other under the bus. I would never do that to you.
Hopefully he won't be too upset.
Oh, you're his little girl. He can't stay mad at you.
He won't be mad at me. I mean, you're the one who doesn't want my brother to come, so.
So you're gonna throw me under the bus?
Oh, I'm gonna throw you so hard I might actually win a stuffed animal.
What is going on?
Sheldon threw us all under the bus.
But you were okay throwing me under the bus?
Turns out, yeah, didn't think twice about it.
Husband and wife are supposed to help each other, not throw each other under the bus.